Friends, I have the best organizing hack to share with you. By the way, it's a beautiful day to be alive. I discovered this hack in January and I have been so excited to share with you all. Friends, this is a game changer. So, I was able to consolidate crafty goodies into these bins. Let me show you. These are my stickers that I've already opened. Painty paper. I have bags and bags of this. Scraps. More stickers. Happy mail that I've received. Sequins. Doodads. Fun bags. So as you all know, I did a big organizing cleaning in my craft room. I found so many projects that I had worked on. Look at this. This bag is filled with projects. These are napkins, hearts, more projects, scraps. This is the haul that I featured the other day. I was able to fit everything in these bags. Look, I was able to organize like this, but pretty much everything that you saw in that haul, if you watched that video, are in these bags. Everything is so organized. All you need are some Ziploc bags and some bins. I bought everything from Dollar Tree, nothing fancy. The creator who came up with this is so genius. I am going to link her. I'm going to @ her because this has literally been a game changer for me and I am so grateful. What am I supposed to do with all of these frames? You have no idea. Oh my gosh, friends, let me show you. Look at my closet. Oh my goodness, look at this. I just pull and I sift through and I'm able to pull things out. So simple. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that, friends. Oh my gosh. This has made my life so much easier. This has made my crafty life so much easier and I couldn't wait to share it with you. I hope you will try this amazing, brilliant, genius hack, organizing hack, because I'm telling you, you will free up so much space. I was able to free up closet space to add things I never had room for because of this system. I hope you love this hack as much as I do. I hope you will try it. And I hope you have a super juicy, amazing day knowing you are loved. Your life matters. Make your life a masterpiece. Until next time.